Let's learn how to use the Snowflake Cost Monitoring Dashboard in Radar. This dashboard offers a comprehensive view of your Snowflake warehouse usage and costs. It aids your team in monitoring expenses, analyzing usage patterns, and making data-driven decisions to optimize costs without compromising performance. Now, let's see how to effectively use the various charts on the dashboard. The charts at the top display your daily expenditure, categorized by spend type and warehouse, your average daily cost by cloud services and compute, as well as your average hourly query costs. For instance, in the daily warehouse spend chart, you can hover over a specific day to see the spending data. This helps you identify which warehouses are the most costly, and hence might need optimization. These insights should be used in conjunction with the Optimizations tab to minimize warehouse expenses. As you scroll further down, you'll find charts for query spend by user and query spend by role. Here, you can concentrate on high-cost users and strategize query improvements, targeting expensive patterns directly. Next, the Snowflake Timeout Queries table assists you in identifying queries that timed out and their associated costs. Utilize the various fields and the drop-down menu to investigate the root causes and implement performance improvements. Finally, at the bottom of the dashboard, you'll find information on Snowflake costs directly related to your dbt project. Here, you have the option to drill down into individual production runs to identify cost spikes and determine if adjustments could be made to run jobs less frequently or more efficiently. Moreover, in the table, you can see which dbt nodes are overly expensive or take too long to run. To enhance your analysis, you can change the date range, or you can analyze by individual warehouse. The dashboard will automatically update based on your selections, keeping your insights fresh and relevant.